Okay, I'm back. This is the third part of RAC 11G R2 release Oracle Linux 7.3. Okay, now we have configured yum and we have seen how to test our yum. So let me give that command again. Yum search ASM. So it shows that yum can search the RPMs and probably it can install as well. Let's install yum install Oracle ASM support. Yes. Okay. Clear screen. Yum search Oracle ASM. Okay. We need kmod Oracle ASM to yum install kmod hyphen Oracle ASM hyphen y. Hyphen y will make it install automatically without manually giving y. After giving the command yum install RPM name, it's taking quite long. Okay, by the time that time, let's change our directory to U02 packages ls Oracle hyphen rdbs. Yes, we have this RPM. So before installing RPM, let's make some groups. Cd clear group add hyphen g 5000 install group add hyphen g finite1 tpa group add hyphen g finite2 asm admin group add hyphen g asm open. Okay, we have made 4 groups. Let's make users. User add hyphen g install. Yeah. Then hyphen capital G dba asm admin asm open hyphen d directory home slash oracle hyphen u 2000 hyphen d directory hyphen m Oracle. Let's change that to grid. Same IP. Sorry. 3. Let's set the passwords. Password Oracle. Password grid. Right. Okay. Now let's make some directories. mkdir hyphen p u01 app Grid. App. Grid. Oracle. NVIDIA hyphen. Dot 2.0, which is 11gr2 release 2 grid underscore home chown hyphen r grid o install. chown, sorry, chmod hyphen r 775. There you go. We have configured that. Now let's install tbms rpm yum install oracle hyphen rdbms. Hello, stay here. There you go. Yes. Let's search Oracle. No, I don't think it's available. We might need to download one RPM. Let's see how many RPMs do we have. RPM hyphen QA grep ASM. We got support, we got libsmart, kmod, Oracle ASM. We need Oracle ASM lib as well. That's the driver for ASM. Let's go to Google and download some. There you go. I think I have already this RPM. Let me find that. It's in my operating system. There you go. Copy. Open. Paste. Let's change our directory to desktop. Oh my god. What did we do? Yeah, copied the wrong one. Paste. Right. Less vi rpm hyphen ih Oracle ASM lib driver. Yes. Clear. Okay, once we install this RPM, let's go and change some settings for our grid user. Now for rash, empty. Yep. vi slash etc sysconfig. I don't think it's sysconfig. Security limit.conf. Here the setting has been added by RPM Oracle hyphen rdbms. So let's just edit this and add the following for grid user 2. Grid soft no file 1024. Just add the same parameters for grid user. The grid user is going to own the grid software in the rack environment. So yeah, once our machine is ready, I'm going to clone this machine and make a second node of it. I don't need to install another virtual machine for node 1, node 2, right? Yep. This all properties has been added by RPM, Oracle RDBMS server 11GR2, which we just installed. Great. There you go. That's done. We need to add one more to PAM dot. So we're gonna search the settings. Oracle 11GR2 rack settings. There you can find Oracle base and your scripts. Nope. Broke system requirements. Yes. Right click, open that. We don't want IBM. The following operating system file sets are required. No. No. Checklist. Groups and paths for Oracle infrastructures. Mount points. I got the mount points already. DNS. Not that one. Source RAW. Right. Let's just append this. Using NFS. Nope. That's not the one which we are looking for. Maybe we can look 11G rack. List to rack in 7. VirtualBox will do. .11G release rack on vmware. That's good. There you go. It's for the Oracle Linux 7. OEL 5. So frustrating. Mm-hmm. 777 Let's go back to Oracle website. I don't think we can find something better here. Let's go preface. Pre-installation check. This is the good side. Let me look around. That's the good thing. Okay, I'm going to remove some directories and remake them. So I'm going to change back to desktop, root directory, rm-rf02 star. Okay, now if I ls/u01, there is nothing, right? mkdir u01 grid, mkdir u01 Aura home. Aura home will be for Oracle and grid will be for grid. Let's make it u01 grid app grid product 0 grid. So let's change the ownership of it. Install grid on install. u01 grid chmod -r 775 u01 grid. That's it. We'll make one mkdir -p01 grid app Oracle. So that's it. Clear. Let's see our RPMs. -qa grep Oracle. So that RDBMS, Linux, Kmod, ASMlib, ASM support, and let's see IC driver. RPM -qa grep IC. We got the initiator, utilities. We are going good. Clear. Okay, now let's set the host for rack setup. We need one public IP for node 1 for node 2, one private IP for node 1 for node 2, one VIP IP for node 1 and node 2, three scan IPs for node rack setup for both nodes. So my first rack 1 darkra.com, rack 2 will be 61, rack 2 darkra.com, rack 2 and private 192.168.0.160, rack 1 hyphen priv dot darkra.com, rack 1 hyphen priv, and my node 2 IP will be priv dot darkra.com, rack 2 hyphen priv, and my VIP will be 162 rack 1 hyphen VIP dot darkra.com, rack 1 hyphen VIP dot just VIP. Same for the node 2, 163 rack 1 rack 2 .doc. Now we need scan IPs, which is important. (164) rack hyphen scan dot, you can give any name, rack scan, rack anything, it's not needed to be rack hyphen scan. Rack hyphen scan dot doc dot rack hyphen scan. That's it. Let's confirm it. Now I'm going to shut down my node 1, then I'm going to clone it to another folder. Then okay, I have set the password right, so let's do it. Power it off, and if I open my drive, and go to my node 1, there you can see the files. Select all with Control A. Let's see whether it is shut down or not. Okay, it's done. So Control A, select all, right click, copy, go to node 2 folder, right click, paste. Let all the files transfer. Once it is transferred, we will open this same virtual machine in VMware. Here is the node 1, so we will add node 2 below this node 1. Okay, by the time it starts and complete the transfer, we'll make new VM for OpenFiler. Let's go and select rack 5 Red Hat 564-bit. Scroll down to the folder OpenFiler. Let me name it OpenFiler. I'm going to provide 30 GB. 30 GB is, yeah, let it be 30 GB. I don't think 30 GB is good. 25. Good. Yeah. It's not going to use much space. 4 GB RAM. And we are all good. Okay. Oh yeah, I need to add the OpenFiler ISO image. Close, finish. Power on. As you can see, the transfer is still going. The files are still getting transferred. So let me get back to VMware. Press enter. Let it boot. The installation process is same as Linux operating system, but we need to add additional disk partitions once it is up and configure it. Okay, click next, yes, custom, next, select the partition, click new, select boot, give 500, select again the free space, click new, click swap, 8192 for 8 GB double of RAM, which we give 4 GB. Select free space, click new, select root, fill to maximum grow allowable size, click OK, next. That's it. We don't need to change anything else here. Next, change the DHCP to manual configuration. So we are going to set this IP address to 1.150.244.255.24 is the right. If you do not understand that, you can give 255.255.255.0. Enable IP version 6 support, disable it. We are not going to use that. op.takra.com. gateway will be 192.168.1.1. 192. Since our virtual VM8 is going to act as DNS server, we don't need DNS because we are using etc host file to make communication happen. Set the password, make sure the password is strong if you are using in development. If it is test, you can give any password. Okay, the installation has started and the file transfer has been completed. So let's go back and minimize this. Open the home tab. On this home button, home screen, you can click open a virtual machine and navigate to that transferred file folder, node 2, which is here in my. Select the node 1, click open, and once the node 1 is open, click rename node 1 and rename it to node 2 and power it on. As you power it on, it will ask, did you moved or copied? So you need to select I copied. Okay, then I'm going to stop this here once it is booted up. It's around 30 minutes. It will just clone that virtual machine and make another node. Whatever the changes we made on node 1, it will replicate on node 2. It will make an exact copy of node 1. Same IP addresses, same host name. We need to change that IP address and host name and other things. So I'm going to pause the video here and make another one. There you go.